manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocksy and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this lovely, gorgeous unit that I have on right now from Fridaynighthair.com. Y'all, get into this unit. Oh my god, like y'all see this right now? Like, I don't think y'all really understand what's happening right here. So this unit, it is their GLS211 and I have it in the color 1B. It is one of their newer style wigs. So with this unit, it does come with a strap that you can actually put around your head, as well as adjustable straps if the unit is too big or, you know, too little or whatever. It does come your standard construction, so it has your 2 clips in the front, your 1 clip in the back. This wig, y'all, it's super long. Like, I don't even know if y'all can see this right here, but y'all see how long this is on me right now? Like, Rapunzel. Please let down your hair. Oh my god. So this unit, I do believe it retails for $49.99. I'm not entirely sure, but I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this lovely unit, y'all. So I am going to go ahead and include a clip on how I actually installed this unit and everything that I did to it. Once you guys are done watching that, stay tuned if you want to hear my thoughts on the unit. Obviously I love it, but if you want some more details on exactly everything that I did in the video, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but still. So I hope you guys enjoy this review.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you.
Alright you guys, so just a couple of things I have to say about this unit after that review. So this was super easy to put on. Oh my god. So I would recommend you, if you're gonna do the bald cap method or the stocking cap method, I would recommend that you actually do it before you put on your makeup. The reason why I say that is because I did struggle a lot as far as like creating my baby hairs and like my makeup getting all over my forehead and stuff, and like I had to like wipe some off with some water. But y'all see this right here? Y'all see it? Excuse the lines right here. It actually doesn't come with that. That was because, as you guys saw in the clip, I did went ahead and used my hot comb to kind of flatten up here down a little bit, because it was just a little bit too much volume for me up top. Like I like the top to look really flat because the wig itself has a lot of volume. As you guys can see, like this unit has a lot of volume, like boom volume, okay? So I didn't want the top to look really bulky or like really wiggy. But yeah, this unit is really long. I did get some snags in here, and that's probably because I had on the mannequin head prior, but I'm not sure, or because it's really long. Like really long units do tend to snag sometimes, especially if they're like a mix between synthetic and human hair. You are gonna get some snags. I would recommend, if you want this a little bit shorter, you can definitely go ahead and take like your scissor comb or whatever and just try to shorten it up to here if you want it like down to here. I think that would also be cute, honestly, but I kind of like it like this, like long hair, don't care. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be my hair for tonight, because if you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, so tonight is our anniversary, me and Bae, and this is gonna be my look for the night, for dinner and everything. So I don't know, I'm really feeling it. Like, girl, where you going with all this length though? But yeah, so super easy to put on. I did use some makeup to the parting space just to kind of make it look a little bit natural. Other than that, like, I have nothing else to say about this unit, y'all. Like I said, it was super easy to put on. If you are on a budget and you can't afford to be buying bundles, or you just can't afford to be, you know, going to somebody and getting your sewing done, and you want this type of look right here, and you don't know how to curl your hair right, because that's me. Like, I can't curl for nothing. I almost cursed. I can't curl for nothing, y'all. Like, if I wanted to do this right here, it would be a complete fail. Like, seriously. And that's why I love this unit, and I love the that it already comes with some curls in there for you. Not like, I don't know if I should say curls, or like some, like it got some type of wave to it, like a body wave, like a, I don't know, loose curl. I don't know how to describe this, because I really don't know how to do hair for real. Like, wigs are just my thing. Like, I just prefer to put on a wig and slay it and make it look on my own and call it a day. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, please stay tuned, because I will be back with more videos pretty soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.